Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Applied Forensic Research Sciences. So today I'm here to tell you about National Forensic Science University PG Diploma courses that are open in NFSU Manipur. So basically it is open in Institute of Forensic Sciences for training and skilling. This is the poster that has been released by Institute of Forensic Sciences for Training and Skilling NFSU Manipur for academic programs that they have started. They have five academic programs which are postgraduate diploma in forensic ballistics, postgraduate diploma in drugs and substance abuse law, postgraduate diploma in forensic document examination, postgraduate diploma in cybercrime investigation, and postgraduate diploma in crime scene management. So first of all, we will discuss about PG Diploma and in Drug and Substance Abuse Law. So basically why this course has been introduced as PG Diploma, because it is very necessary to learn about laws related to drugs and substance abuse in our country. It is very important. So the main course objective will be to develop an interdisciplinary approach in relation to drug and substance abuse law in the country, and to regulate the mitigation of these drugs and substances, to enhance the skill of interpretation of drugs and substances through judicial cases, and to enhance your skills based on experimental learning. There is also one more objective, which is to orient about the emerging trends and issues related to drug and substance abuse in the contemporary times. So the program is PG Diploma in Drug and Substance Abuse Law, and they are only taking 20 students in this program. The course of the program will be 2 semesters or 1 year. The eligibility of the course will be graduate degree, and the student must have minimum of 45 to 50% marks. The admission procedure will be based on the merit list that will be released by NFSU, and the fee structure will be 20,000 per semester. More university fees will also be taken as per the norms. So in semester 1, the syllabus will be the fundamental of law and drug and substance abuse, international treaties regarding the control of drug use and abuse, Drugs and Cosmetic Act 1940 and Rules 1945, and you will be having some internship or practical work or experimental learning or projects, and the credits are divided accordingly. In semester 2, you will have 4 subjects: Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985 and Rules 1985, Legal Framework of Drug and Substance Abuse in USA and UK, Forensic Aspects in Drug of Abuse, and also in the semester you will have some internship, practical work, experimental learning and projects, and the credits which are as follow given in the table. So the next course is PG Diploma in Forensic Ballistic. As you know what is Forensic Ballistic, it is basically the study of firearm and its projectile, right? So in this course you will have hands-on experience and the clear understanding about firearm and ammunitions, and also you will get to know about the history of firearms, the history of laws related to firearms. In this course also you will be having 4 papers per semester, and basically this course is introduced so that you can learn internal, immediate and external ballistic and the factors affecting projectile and its targets. It also helps you to determine whether the firing that has been done is accidental or uh, intentional. It will help. The admission procedure will be intake of 20 students. The course will be 1 year, that is 2 semester, and the eligibility is for this the Student must have bachelor degree in science, forensic science, medicine, engineering, pharmacy, dentistry or Ayush with 50% marks for general OBC and EWS category and 45% for SC/ST and PWD. And the admission will be on the basis of merit list, which will be released by NFSU only, and the fee structure will be the same, 20,000 per semester with other university fees. The subjects, there will be 4 subjects in semester 1. You will have basic of crime, evidence and law, introduction to forensic ballistic. Laboratory course will be 1, in which you will be introducing with the practicals also, and 1 will be minor project, field visit, crime scene visit. The credits and all the things are given in the table. The second semester will have firearm evidences and its forensic examination, elementary ballistics, laboratory course 2, minor project, field visit and crime scene visits. Okay. Now we have third PG diploma course, which is forensic document examination. And basically why this course has been introduced, as we all know that we all are we forensic scientists are getting new cases on the basis of question document, where some threatened letter or some handwritten material are sent to some person, and we have to examine who wrote that letter, right? To get to know about the question document, what are basically question document and how these are examined. The NFSU has introduced this course, and the same will be intake of students 20. The duration is same, 2 semesters or 1 year. Eligibility is graduate degree with 50% to 45% marks. Admission process is on the basis of merit list that will be released by NFSU. Tuition fees will be 20,000 per semester plus other university fees. The courses in first semester will be basics of crime, evidence and law, introduction to forensic document examination. You will have 1 practical and 1 minor project, field visit or crime scene visit. In semester 2, you will have allied problems in forensic document examination, advances in forensic document examination, your practical 2, and minor project, field visit, crime scene visit. This, so the credits and the lecture or tutorial or practicals are mentioned in the table, so you can go through the table again to know what credits are given for particular subject. For more details, you can contact in this number, and also a mail ID is given of the coordinator to ask your doubts. You can ask your doubts in here also. So this was all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Applied Forensic Research Sciences. Thank you.